Hi, my name is Dan, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Hypergh 14X before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Hypergh 14X is to be careful with the website you're going to buy it from. That's because Hypergh 14X is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description and pinned comment of this video. So, what is Hypergh 14X, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that is a three-way system that prioritizes daily intake of nutrition over increasing HGH levels immediately. Users will see visible changes and benefits from Hypergh 14X after the 4-week dose. Hypergh 14X bodybuilding reviews are dismissed online, and there are some truths in them when it comes to maintaining healthy HGH levels rather than producing newer ones. Studies have shown over time that maintaining HGH levels not only promotes muscle mass and endurance but also helps with sleep quality, skin texture, and hair growth, with an increase in overall health in men. So, yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Hypergh 14X, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Hypergh 14X for days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Hypergh 14X to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Jenna moves her hands while speaking. Also important for you to know, Hypergh 14X has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Hypergh 14X from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Hypergh 14X actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching. Catch you on my next video. Bye.